Hello, welcome to CtrlAultDelTutorials. My name is Jason, and you may have noticed, if you have already been a subscriber, that there are some changes to the YouTube channel. So something I'm hoping to integrate into the YouTube channel is my Twitch stream. So here you can see on the left we have CtrlAultDelTutorials. Here on the right you can see that we have the Twitch stream, Saulty200X, or 200X if you want to call it that. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm starting to notice that my views for my latest videos are just not really hitting the marks that I'm used to hitting. And I feel like I'm getting to the point where the channel is starting to dwindle as far as content. I don't post as many tutorials as I used to, and so I'm hoping that I can supplement that with some streaming content. For those that don't know, I taught game design. I'm on my 7th year of teaching game design. Before that I worked at a game studio, and I made a lot of YouTube content showing different sort of tutorials, and some of the videos get 200,000 views, and then as you can see by the latest videos, those videos are only getting in the hundreds. So I feel like I need to keep up and keep making content. So recently I've been streaming on Twitch, so I really hope that you guys will like this content. I'm going to be posting the videos to YouTube, and the information will be on Twitch as well. I main Mega Man, so if you went, you'd be able to see some of the fun clips that I hope to be sharing with you guys, ones where I'm playing online, and fun things kind of happen. So I'm going to be posting that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm going to be posting content from both. So as I do tutorials, I'll post them here. As I do Twitch streams, I'll post that here as well. So I really hope you guys stick with the content and continue watching. Thank you.